I am starting the daily challenge. First, I will accept the cookies to clear the UI. Then, I will make an initial guess of inception to establish a baseline for the target medium, year, and rating. I will click the guess field, type the title, select it, and then click the guess button. Type card is red for my guess inception movie. Target medium equals TV series. The target is a TV series released before 2010. Year 2010 red with down arrow with a rating higher than 8.8, rating 8.8, yellow with up arrow. No genres: action, adventure, sci-fi, actors or directors from inception overlap. Type card is red for inception movie, so target medium equals TV series. The target is older than 2010. Year 2010 red down arrow and has a rating higher than 8.8, rating 8.8, yellow up arrow. The Wire 2002 is a highly rated TV series, 9.3 MDB that fits these criteria. I will type the title, select it, and click guess. Type card is green for the Wire TV series. Target medium equals TV series. The target is newer than 2002. Year 2002 red with up arrow and has a rating lower than 9.3, rating 9.3, yellow with down arrow. Overlapping genres: crime and drama are green, thriller is gray. No actors or directors from The Wire overlap. Type card is green for The Wire, so target medium equals TV series. The target is newer than 2002. Year 2002 red up arrow and older than 2010 from inception feedback, with a rating between 8.8 and 9.3. Breaking Bad 2008 fits the crime/drama genres and these constraints perfectly. I will type the title, select it, and click guess. Type card is green for Breaking Bad TV series. Target medium equals TV series. The target is older than 2008. Year 2008 yellow with down arrow, meaning 2006 or 2007, and has a rating lower than 9.5, rating 9.5, red with down arrow. Overlapping genres: crime and drama are green, comedy and thriller are gray. No actors or directors from Breaking Bad overlap. Type card is green for Breaking Bad, so target medium equals TV series. The target is older than 2008 yellow down arrow, so 2006 or 2007, and has a rating lower than 9.5, red down arrow. Dexter 2006 is a crime/drama series with a high rating 8.6 that fits the 2006-2007 window. I will type Dexter, select it from the list, and click guess. Type card is green for Dexter, original Sin TV series. Target medium equals TV series. The target is older than 2024. Year 2024 red with down arrow and has a rating higher than 8.2, rating 8.2, red with up arrow. Overlapping genres: crime and drama are green, mystery is gray. No actors or directors from this guess overlap. Note: previous feedback for Inception and Breaking Bad already established the target is between 2006-2007 and has a rating between 8.8 and 9.3. Type card is green for Dexter, original Sin, so target medium equals TV series. Based on previous feedback, the target is a crime/drama series from 2006-2007 with a rating between 8.8 and 9.3. The Sopranos ended in 2007 and has a 9.2 rating, making it a strong candidate. I will type the title, select it, and click guess. Type card is green for the Sopranos TV series. Target medium equals TV series. The target year is 1999. Year 1999 green. The rating is higher than 9.2, rating 9.2, yellow with up arrow. Overlapping genres: crime and drama are green. No actors or directors from The Sopranos overlap. The pixelated poster hint is now visible. Type card is green for The Sopranos, so target medium equals TV series. The feedback shows year 1999 is green, exact match, and rating 9.2 is yellow with an up arrow, meaning the target rating is higher than 9.2. The Sopranos itself is 1999 and 9.2, but the arrow says the target is higher. I will resubmit The Sopranos or a very similar high-rated 1999 crime drama if I can find one, but first I must ensure the previous guess actually registered, as the screenshot shows it as the current feedback. Wait, if 1999 is green, the target is from 1999. The only TV series from 1999 with a rating higher than 9.2 is likely The Sopranos itself. Maybe a data discrepancy, or I should check for other 1999 masterpieces. Type card is green for The Sopranos, so target medium equals TV series. The feedback shows year 1999 is red with an up arrow, meaning the target is newer than 1999. Rating 9.2 is yellow with a down arrow, meaning the target rating is lower than 9.2 but within 0.5. I will browse by year 1999 to see other options, though the arrow says newer. I will try a different approach by typing the year to see suggestions. Type card is red for Fight Club movie. Target medium equals TV series. The target is a TV series released after 1999. Year 1999 red with up arrow with a rating higher than 8.8, rating 8.8, yellow with up arrow. Drama is a green genre pill. No actors or directors from Fight Club overlap. Type card is red for Fight Club movie, so target medium equals TV series. Based on previous feedback, the target is a drama series released after 1999. Year 1999 red up arrow and before 2008 Breaking Bad feedback. It has a rating higher than 8.8. Mad Men 2007 is a highly rated drama, 8.7, but fits the criteria well that falls in the 2000-2007 window. I will type Mad Men, select it, and click guess. Type card is green for Mad Men TV series. Target medium equals TV series. The target year is 2007. Year 2007 green. The rating is higher than 8.7, rating 8.7, yellow with up arrow. Overlapping genres: drama is green. No actors or directors from Mad Men overlap. The target is a 2007 TV drama with a rating between 8.8 and 9.2. Type card is green for Mad Men, so target medium equals TV series. The year 2007 is green exact match. The rating 8.7 is yellow with an up arrow, so the target rating is between 8.8 and 9.2. Skins 2007 is a popular drama series from that year with a high rating 8.2, but I will check for others like Mad Men or similar. Actually, Mad Men was 8.7, so I need something higher. I will try Skins or another 2007 drama. Type card is green for Skins TV series. Target medium equals TV series. The target is older than 2011 year 2011 red with down arrow and has a rating higher than 8.2 rating 8.2 red with up arrow. Drama is a green genre pill. No actors or directors from Skins overlap. The hint choice menu is now visible. Type card is green for Skins, so target medium equals TV series. The target is from 2007 confirmed by Mad Men guess and has a rating higher than 8.7. I will first select the reveal actor hint as required by policy, then I will re-guess Mad Men to confirm if I missed a detail or try a similar high-rated 2007 drama like Damages or Californication if I can see them in the list. Actually, I will try Mad Men again to be sure of the feedback. Type card is green for Skins, so target medium equals TV series. Previous feedback for Mad Men 2007 showed year 2007 is green and rating 8.7 is yellow with an up arrow. I need a 2007 TV drama with a rating higher than 8.7. Gossip Girl 2007 is a major drama from that year. I will also trigger the reveal actor hint first as required. Type card is green for Gossip Girl TV series. Target medium equals TV series. The target year is 2007 year 2007 green. The rating is higher than 7.5 rating 7.5 red with up arrow. Drama is a green genre pill, romance is gray. The synopsis for Guess 9 is visible. An intelligent high school student goes on a secret crusade to eliminate criminals from the world after discovering a notebook capable of killing anyone whose name is written into it. This is the plot of Death Note. Type card is green for Gossip Girl, so target medium equals TV series. The synopsis describes an intelligent high school student with a notebook that kills people, which is the plot of Death Note. Death Note is a TV series from 2007 with a rating around 9.0, which fits all feedback year 2007 green, rating 7.5. I will type Death Note and submit. I cracked the code and found Death Note in 10 guesses. The key clues were the 2007 release year and the unmistakable synopsis about a notebook that kills, which led me straight to the answer.